Hey everyone, it's Deb here from Deb's Greenhouse, and we've got today's top 5 plants. We are going to start with this gorgeous blue lobelia. What I love about lobelia is that it's actually a true blue. This is a beautiful deep sky blue color. These lobelia that are in individual pots can go in full sun. They're not going to get crispy and fried like the old lobelia. We will also have the old lobelia, the seeded type in 6-packs. It is going to be transplanted this week. It's not ready yet. But we do have lots of blue, lots of requests for blue this year, especially this gorgeous blue color. So if you need blue, we've got it. And this lobelia is just stunning. It gets really full, fills in all the little cracks. In a planter or basket, you could have a basket just of lobelia, or you can mix it in. It's a great filler. So yeah, beautiful blue color. And again, this can go in probably like shade to sun. So anywhere that you would like to put it, you could put it, but it can go in full sun, which is fantastic. Okay. Our second item for today's top 5 plants is Scotch Moss. So we have 2 colors. We have the lime green and the regular green. So what's great about this is it can go in like shade to sun, and it's low growing. It is a great ground cover. It does really well if it's a moist area. Also super good in terrariums. So if you have an indoor growing area and you want to do a closed terrarium or an open glass terrarium, Scotch Moss is fantastic, and the 2 colors are really fun. Okay, so our third plant for today's top 5 is marigolds. We have our African marigolds all transplanted. They are green. It is pretty normal to find marigolds and other 6-packs sold what we call green. That means without a flower. These were planted a while ago. They're rooted in really nicely now, and yeah, they look really good. We don't have all of our 6-packs done. We have African marigolds transplanted just like this, pansies, violas. Petunias have just been done, but they're not quite ready. They need at least another week to root in and perk up. So yeah, 6-packs are coming, and we can't plant them outside anyway. These are typically meant for flower beds or mixed pots, large pots. So yeah, just hang on and we'll have our 6-packs ready. We'll let you know. Excuse me, I think I swallowed some dirt. Okay, our fourth plant for today's top 5 is this really nice charmed wine oxalis. And this guy you're going to grow in sun to shade, so it really can go in sun or shade. I find if it's too hot though, it kind of just falls over. Give it a little bit of afternoon shade to keep it nice and perky. They do close their little leaves up at nighttime, and they open them up wide in the day. So very nice filler, rich, deep, like purple, burgundy, black color, this charmed wine, I guess. Great plant, really beautiful, rich colored plant. So our 5th plant for today's top 5, I've got this trio of petunias, and I want to show you this trio. If you're wondering, we have a lot of yellow petunias. This is the bee's knees. This beautiful purple is a color blitz purple, and this pink is a Durabloom royal pink. I have been walking around and thinking, man, I would love to use these together. Petunias can go in full sun, minimum 6 hours of light, all the way to full day. And I wanted to show you those because we got in a batch of weekender hanging baskets, waiting and waiting and waiting. We have a few extra that we potted up, and these will be available for retail. And we did the yellow, pink, and purple mix. This is going to be a beautiful, cheerful basket. Now, if you haven't seen our weekender baskets, what's so cool about these is that this basket actually comes out, and you can see there it has a wick. So this basket holds a gallon of water in the bottom, and if you fill it too full, there's an overflow here. But yeah, this bottom portion holds a gallon of water. You can water your basket. If it's in the sun, probably fill that reservoir up, and you've got a good 4 days before you have to water it again. Great for the weekend if you're gone for the weekend. Great for the cottage if you are gone during the week. If the basket was in shade, you could probably go a whole week without watering. Now petunias of course need sun, so this one would have to be in a sunnier spot, but even on the east side you could probably get away every 5 days without having to water again, so long as you fill up that reservoir. Has a sturdy metal swivel hook, and these will be available in store if they were just planted, so we'd like to give them some time to grow in. But yeah, they're just a fantastic pot. Cities and towns use this exact same style of pot, just in the larger version. This is a 16-inch. Cities and towns use a 24-inch. And yeah, they're used all across North America. Really great pot, super sturdy. You'll have it forever. We sell tons of these as pre-order items only. This is really the first time that we've ever had extra available for retail, and we are only selling them planted. They'll be about $100. So just kind of giving you a heads up on that. And that's it for today's top 5 plants. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time, guys.